Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Monday, December 23. Local and overseas investors will now find it easier to do business in Jamaica following the passage of the Companies Amendment Act in the Senate. The bill, which was passed in the upper house last Thursday, had been previously approved by the lower house on December 17. It amends the Companies Act to authorize the use of a single business registration form in order to improve the ease with which businesses can be registered in Jamaica.
This bill provides for the creation of a so-called one-stop shop at the Companies Office of Jamaica to allow persons who are registering new companies and businesses to do all of these different registrations through Companies Office by the completion of a single business registration form along with their incorporation documents for the company.
The passage of the bill forms part of government's economic reform program. Meanwhile, Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton says government is committed to advancing measures for reforming the business environment. The minister points to legislation such as the recently passed Security Interest in Personal Property and the Omnibus Incentive Acts, which he says are crucial factors in driving economic growth.
In addition, the recently launched MSME and Entrepreneurship Policy recognizes the pivotal role of the MSMEs in driving the expansion of the private sector and in job creation, and contains strategy to support the sector.
Minister Hilton was addressing the recent Private Sector Organization of Jamaica annual Members Christmas Luncheon. He said public-private partnership was what would allow the country to achieve transformational growth. The Kingston Public Hospital has received a generous support of $4,300 to assist with medical supplies for the treatment of breast cancer patients. The donation was made last Tuesday by Coalition for Jamaica out of the United States. Senior Medical Officer at the KPH, Dr. Patrick Burasing, says the help will put the healthcare facility in a better position to adequately detect and treat patients.
The main aim of the Ministry of Health is to really cure or even help to alleviate suffering in cancers, all cancers, and breast cancer being one of the highest incidents of cancers. Any help will be greatly appreciated.
The recently completed report of the National Education Inspectorate's Chief Inspector was tabled in the House of Representatives last Tuesday. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has invited parliamentarians to give their feedback on the report, which provides a look at the performance of the island's more than 1,000 public schools.
The Ministry of Education stands ready to facilitate whatever suggestions for improvement the honourable members may have.
About 2,000 St. Anne residents, including people with disabilities who wish to study at night, now have that opportunity. That's thanks to the recent launch of the St. Anne Northwestern's empowerment program Skills Training and Night School. It will offer a number of subjects and skills training courses to residents who will receive NCT-VET certification. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has lauded Member of Parliament for Northwest St. Anne, Dr. Dayton Campbell, for initiating the program. He also encouraged residents to make use of the opportunity, which begins in January.
What you are going to be involved in is a most important educational venture which you should take very seriously and which all Jamaica should look upon as a means whereby people who need a second chance, who need a skill, who need preparation to work can in fact achieve those objectives.
And finally, current and former employees of the Jamaica Information Service were honored and feted by the agency on the weekend. 7 recent retirees were celebrated for their years of service at the Christmas soiree hosted Saturday at the New Kingston Conference Center. Meanwhile, Special Projects Manager Andreen Davidson received the agency's inaugural Employee of Choice Award. Radio producer Vaughn Davis was named runner-up. Chief Executive Officer Donna Marie Rowe lauded the contribution made by the former and current staff members.
Let me express my gratitude to all our key stakeholders and the team members who have supported the agency throughout the year. We appreciate you. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to soaring to new heights in the coming year with God's help.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.